The size of the ear pads on Cloud 2 is the same as on Cloud 1, Cloud Core, Cloud Silver, and that means you can use Cloud to earpads on these headsets. Because the leather used in Cloud to earpads will be relatively soft. But this difference can only be felt by touching it with your hands. Misodiko online store sells original Cloud to earpads, including the material of protein leather and velour. They use this kind of headband. Electric soldering iron is required for installation, which is not easy. It is more recommended to use misodiko's upgraded comfy earpads. They are more comfortable and have a variety of materials to choose from. If you are not very confident in your DIY ability, it is not recommended to buy this original headband and install it yourself, because you may not be able to install it back after removing it. You can also choose this universal headband covers. This kind of headband cover is very easy to install, and it is suitable for most headphones.